Okay, today now we start with exercise 5.2. Now, the questions which we are doing are in the cbse NCERT book, but the guys from the ISC board need not to worry about it, because after completing this, we will be taking up the ISC books. Okay, so we are doing 5.2 and skipping 5.1 for now, because 5.1 is based on continuity and differentiability, which we will be doing later. First of all, our main focus is how to solve the trigonometric function differentiation of trigonometric functions. So let's start with the first question. First question of the exercise, very easy. Okay, the question is sine of x square plus 5. Now we have to understand that we'll be using the chain rule. Now what is chain rule? Chain rule means, see, that we knew that the differentiation of sine x is cos x, right? But here it's not x, it's x square plus 5. So let's consider this if as x. So our differentiation would be cos of x square plus 5. Now sin x becomes cos x, but sin x square plus 5 becomes cos x square plus 5. And since we are following the chain rule, so we have to differentiate the term this over here. So differentiation of x square plus 5. So the answer would be cos of x square plus 5 into the differentiation of constant is 0 and the differentiation of x square is 2x. How the differentiation of x square is 2x can be seen in my previous videos. Okay, so hence the proper way of writing the answer is 2x into cos of x square plus 5. Let's come to question number 2. It says cos of sin x. Now we have to differentiate this function. Okay, so since we know that d by dx of cos x is minus of sin x, so hence the answer would be minus of sin. First of all, we differentiate this function and we just copy the bracket sin x. Okay, and now we will differentiate the sin x. So sin x will this sin x. Okay, this one. So sin x becomes cos x. So hence our answer is minus of cos x into sin of sin x. Now let's do the third question. The third question is sine of ax plus b. Now the differentiation of sin x is cos x. So the answer would be cos of ax plus b. And now we have to do the differentiation of the extra part, that is ax plus b. Now the differentiation of b will be 0 because it's a constant, and the differentiation of any constant is 0, and differentiation of ax will be a. So I can simply write down a times cos ax plus b. Now let's go with the fourth question. The fourth question is sec times of and root x. I have already shown the differentiation of this in one of my previous videos, but since we are doing the questions, so let me solve it over here again. Okay, so now again chain rule will be followed. First we will differentiate this sec x, then we will differentiate this tan, and then we will differentiate this root x. Okay, so first of all, differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. So hence our answer would be sec, let's copy it, into tan, and then again let's copy this. then the differentiation of tan root x, which is into and then the differentiation of root x, which is 1 upon 2 root x. So hence my answer would be 1 upon 2 root x into 6 square root x into sec tan root x into tan of tan root x. Thank you. For the detailed version of this question, I have already solved it in one of our previous videos. You can go and check out.